Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a blue glow metallic paint finish and is the LT trim. Under the hood is our 1.5-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5-passenger seating on our jet black cloth seating surfaces. We also have GPS navigation, a powered dual-pane sunroof, heated seats in the front of the vehicle with a heated steering wheel for the driver, forward collision alert, rear park assist, as well as our lane keep assist. Also inside of the vehicle, we have our adaptive cruise settings with our full surround view camera. Outside the vehicle, we have our alloy wheels, as well as a powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, as well as our power windows. Actually have built-in blind spot on the corner of the mirror. Bottom of the door, we have some storage, our powered liftgate controls, as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Power driver seat that is finished in our jet black cloth, and that is the same finish throughout the vehicle. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings on the outside, and it is an adaptive cruise system. Forward collision alert in the center with our heated steering wheel and our lane keep assist with departure warning. We have some audio controls tucked in behind. Moving to the right-hand side of the steering wheel, voice recognition, hands-free. The arrows in the check are the controls for our driver information system. More audio controls tucked in behind and a push-to-start ignition. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth audio, phone connection, GPS navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless Apple Carplay, and Android Auto. We also have our settings and users. Second page has our apps, My Chevrolet, camera, Sirius XM, and OnStar. If we go into the camera, we can see we have a full surround view camera. We have front and rear adaptive guidelines, and we can also switch throughout to our rear. Below it, we have home, seek, volume, and our mute, as well as back hotkeys. Also hotkeys on the bottom of the touchscreen. Our auto stop start and our hazard lights below. Dual zone climate with front and rear defrost, sync, AC, as well as fan controls in the center. We have heated driver and heated passenger seat as well. At the bottom, we have our SD slot, USB-C, USB, aux, and then a flip open 12-volt plug. Some storage where we can also currently see our key. On our keys, we have locks and unlocks, our remote starter, powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. All-wheel drive shift, as well as our parking sensors in front of our cup holder and leather finish shifter. Electronic parking brake below the shifter. Some storage, center console. We can see we have a removable coin tray, as well as some deep storage with 2 USBs on the front. Passenger seat, also our jet black cloth and heated for the passenger. Lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings. Dome lighting with our dome lighting controls at the front. Controls for our powered dual pane sunroof, as well as our sunshade for the sunroof. A sunglass holder. And then our dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-season tire. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors with our integrated turn signal and blind spot monitors, as well as paint match keyless entry door handles. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have our black bow tie, as well as our Equinox all-wheel drive and LT badging in chrome. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have a release underneath for our powered liftgate. Looking in the back itself, we have a 60/40 folding third row seat, some all-weather vinyl mats throughout. Can fold the second row seats through the side, and it's right next to a 12-volt plug. Some storage on either side. We can also lift up on the bottom, and we can see we have some additional storage underneath with a spot for a full-size fifth tire. Lastly, to close the vehicle, power release and manual release on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, between the front two seats, two vents, two USBs for charging, and a 120-volt plug at the bottom. Storage pocket in the back of the passenger seat. All-weather mats with a vinyl finish across the floor. Second row seat is a 60/40 folding bench seat finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, two foldable cup holders with our removable cup holder covers. And to fold the seats, we have our release on the either side. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.